Alright guys, what's going on? Botman here with Botman Automation. Want to go over prop firms and how to use them and kind of basics of what they are and how to trade them. If you do not know how to trade futures, I have a video for that as well. Kind of the basics on what futures is and how to trade them. Um, uh, if you trade stocks and options, it's similar but not. We'll go into further details on that in that separate video. But Apex Trader Funding is going to be the largest prop firm out there. They've paid over $200 million since 2022, and over 80 million in the last 90 days. The basic is you pretty much get an account with a trailing drawdown. So, for example, a 50K account gives you 2,500 drawdown. What I tell my members and people that are interested is you're not getting a 50K account, you're getting a $2,500 account. Now, all of these accounts are trailing drawdowns, which means if you're in a trade and you're at 50,600 unrealized and it goes back to 50,000 and you're break even for the day, well, that 600 you lost because your peak, this number is based off the peak of that chart. Um, so if you're in that trade and you're up 50,600 and it's back to 50K, you only have 1,900 drawdown left. So that's the tough part about these accounts are you have that trailing drawdown to mess with, and it's not easy. You just have to be aware of that. So having tight stops, having all that will help you. Having targets will help you, not holding for forever and ever on trades like that. So that's the trailing drawdown. Accounts to sign up for, they use Rhythmic and TraderVate. They've last 90% off sale. They had a lot of issues with Rhythmic, so everyone that's joining, I tell them sign up for a TraderVate plan. Now with TraderVate, they use, I believe, the same data as cash accounts do. So the accounts that they do have an 80% off promo right now on all accounts, and then on the 150, 250, and 300, they have a promo where it's $40, and then the PA fee once you pass the eval is only 85. This is good until August 15th. 50K account is going for $36, I want to say. So it depends what you want. Now 150K gives you 5K drawdown. The 250K gives you 6,500, and the 300K gives you 7,500. But the profit targets are much higher. The profit target on the 150 is 9, on the 250 is 15, and on the 300 accounts it's 20K. So it's a lot harder. The larger you go, it's the harder it takes for you to get to the profit target. Now we have strategies to help get to that. A member who literally just joined this weekend got a 250K account and got it funded just this morning. He made 16,000 on it. And he's going to pay the $85 PA fee today, and he's going to get started with the bots on an actual funded account. So good for him. That was pretty awesome. Today's move was pretty nice. Okay, so make sure this stuff stops moving. So you're allowed on a 50K, you're allowed 10 minis or 100 micros. There's your profit target, the trailing drawdown. Blah blah blah. We don't need any of that. You get your license key, so you don't need any of that. That's all plug and play. Once you get the account, you make a TraderVate account, you go into NinjaTrader, you log in, and you start trading that either manually or with the strategies bots that I offer. Okay, and then so that's pretty much the basics. Now, Apex does allow up to 20 PAs, so you can get 20 funded accounts. Bulenox is another one. They offer 11 MAs, which is master accounts. So you can get between the two 31 total accounts. Now, Bulenox is a little different. They only allow 3 MAs at a time. And then when the last one gets to their threshold, so on a 50K account, Once it gets to 52,600, you can activate a fourth. Once the fourth one gets to 52,600, you can activate the fifth, all the way up to the 11th. Their payouts are a little different as well. You can request payouts anytime, and they pay the payments are processed every Wednesday. It just has to you have to have this amount in there. So to pull the minimum of 1,000, you would need 53,600. Now you don't have to withdraw 1,000 here. You can keep pushing it higher and get a bigger buffer, because on a funded account on both prop firms, once you get above 52.6, your drawdown remains at 50,100. So if you take the account to 80,000, you have 29,900 drawdown left on that account. So, but I tell everybody that money is not yours until it's in your account. So always get a habit of withdrawing monthly, weekly, whatever you want, depending on the prop firm. Um, get that money into your account. What else? Right now, Bulenox is having a 90% promo off their 50K, so you can get their 50Ks for 16 bucks. And these are lifetime. So if you don't pass it within the first month or you blow it, after the 30 days, it'll renew again, reset at 50,000, and you get to try again for that 16. Their lifetime fees, believe, the same as Apex. They're about 150 lifetime. You don't pay it monthly once you get it funded. So you're pretty much spending 180 bucks on a $2,500 account. So would you rather lose 180, or would you rather lose 2,500 of your own cash? Now, not this one account. You get 20 funded accounts. You're trading 20 $2,500 accounts. So you're talking about $50,000 of capital, pretty much, of trailing capital that you have available. So yeah, um, uh, I'll post a link to the Discord where all the discounts are available, the latest news on the prop firms and their discounts. I think I covered pretty much all. These are all plug and play straight into Ninja. Um, and let me make sure there's no other rules that I missed. I think that is pretty much it. If you have questions, join the Discord, message me, comment. If you know anyone interested, let me know. But yeah, you guys have a good one and good luck trading. Peace.